Okay, hey everyone. Quick experimenting playtime. Hopefully the lighting's okay. My light broke, so I have to sort that out. I have the natural light by the window. Hopefully that works. If not, I'm sorry, and we'll get better in the future. Okay, so I have a black base down. Just poured it. Saved you guys the boring part. I'm going to try and do like I'm going to pour some lines of paint and then I'm going to pour white over it and then I'm going to blow and just try to make a cool design. See how it goes. I'm going to use bronze that I mixed up myself, gold from Reeves, and I'll probably put a little bit of, maybe a little bit of black in between those before I put the white on. Maybe. We're just going to kind of go for it. And I might play with some silver too. I'm not sure. I'll see how the camera angle is on this, and if I need to change it, I'll change it. Okay, so I've been having a few bad pours the last few days. So I'm hoping that this kind of gets me out of that. Anyway, so we'll get started. So let's just, now these are mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Owatrol Floetrol, and a bit of water for thinning. Okay, so we're gonna do some, like I said, guys, I'm just playing. So if this is not your thing, that's okay. I'm just gonna get some gold there. And then this bronze I made with, I had some copper and I added some burnt umber. And it gave me a nice coppery toned bronze. Okay, and then I think I'm just gonna do like a squiggle of black because I don't know why I am. I don't even know if I could get a squiggle out of this. So let's just do that. And then I'm gonna do just a white line on top of that. And then we're gonna blow it around. So this is totally experimenting, guys. Okay, sorry about the head hair shot. And I'm gonna look and see. Well, hopefully you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and blow the white kind of before I actually blow out. So like that. Just so the magic starts to happen. And I kind of, ooh, that's like leopard printy. Okay. I think I'm going to change the camera angle. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's something that's kind of neat. I'm ruined too many clothes. So I'm not really going for flowers, okay? I'm just playing. Okay, and what I will do, okay, just a quick, torch and let that get moving. And put this back over here, and I seen a part that I wanted to blow out a bit more. 2 parts. And you very quickly can overblow. So you have to be careful of overblowing like I usually do, and then I regret it. Okay, now I'm gonna switch the camera angle so you guys hopefully get a better glance of this or view of this. So just bear with me for a sec. So you guys let me know if this is a terrible camera angle or not, please. Okay. Okay, So now I'm gonna go maybe just a small bit here. And again, guys, we're just kind of playing. And I think I'm gonna drop some silver in there, the metallic, because it kind of does some magic, I think. So what we do, we'll do this first. And I can already tell I'm gonna like have to blow that out a bit more because I don't like the lines in there. Sometimes you just gotta play. Oh, and there's a chunk in there. I have to get that now. Did I get it? I was doing balloon dips with my fingers one time. Anyway, enough of that. Okay, we'll put maybe. Oh, I hope you guys can see this. Anyway, I'll be doing the giveaway's up. I think I had 142 entries or something like that. I'm gonna draw, I haven't drawn the name yet. I'm gonna do that. It's been kind of a crazy week, last week. So now that that's over, we'll draw the name and then I'll announce it on a video. Okay, so I'm gonna do a line of white. And I'm just gonna really quick. I wasn't liking all the lines there. Okay, that's a bit better, I think. Okay, so again. Okay. I need a small bit of white there. Okay. 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 Just gonna turn this around. Check my camera view for you. That's good. And how, oh, I have to start the camera time over. Okay, guys, sorry, I forgot I was doing a talking video, so I stopped talking. So there's going to be talking in the beginning, and then a bit of music, and then this here at the end for a close-up. Hope you guys don't mind me experimenting on the videos and posting them. But sure, we have to experiment, so I'll bring you in for a close-up. So yeah, it was fun experimenting with this. I could see lots of potential in this. I actually think this is pretty cool. But yeah, I will definitely be doing this again. Something like it. Thanks, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell for notifications. Like I said, I'll be drawing the winner this week for the giveaway. It's ended now. And check out my dried results on Erica Hughes Art Facebook page. Link in the description if you'd like to sponsor the channel. Link in the description as well for a PayPal. It helps me buy the supplies and everything to keep the channel going, and it's very much appreciated. And another giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.